Hello everyone, welcome to day 15 of our Power BI course. Okay, in today's session, we will learn about cards and KPI visuals. These visuals are used to display important business metrics such as total sales, total profit, total orders, and performance indicators. Okay, by the end of the class, you will be able to create dashboards style summary reports. Okay, so what is a card visual? First, we need to understand what is a card visual. A card visual displays a single important value. For example, let us see total sales. I will write here for you better understanding. What is a card visual? A card visual displays a single important value. For example, total sales. You can consider total sales and total profit. Total profit. Okay. And now total customers. Total customers. And the total orders. We can make. We can make total orders also. Whatever. By using the card visual, we can display the single important value by using these informations. Okay, total sales, total profit, or total cost, customers, or total orders. Cards help management quickly understand the key business information. Cards help us management quickly understand key business informations. I will explain the practical demonstration. Okay, I will show in the Power BI desktop. Find this. First, you need to select the card visual. Where is the card visual? Okay, here it is. Just click on the card visual. Now drag the sales amount into the card. Sales amount in the data itself, it's there. Sorry, I did not import the Excel sheet here. So now I am importing. I need to import sales data.
Working on it.
Okay. Now actually it was refreshed. So now I am importing Excel data.
Working on it.
Please wait some time. It will be load. It will not take much time. Import sales data aggregate functions. Okay. Open. It is importing now. Let me check. Okay. Sales data I am importing. Let's change this. Okay, it is loading. The data is loading now. It will take like 1 minute or 2 minutes of time maximum. If you are using a good processor, it will not take much time. See, it is loaded now.
Working on it.
Okay, loaded. Now we need to select the card visual now. Okay, we have selected now. Drag the sales amount into the card. Drag the sales amount into the card. Okay. This one I will remove because this I have already selected this one. But it is showing the 236K sum of sales amount. Okay. Like this, we can do the we can do any card visual of the particular amount. Okay. Power BI automatically calculates the sum of sales and displays it as single value. Here, see, it is showing only single value, right? It displays only the single value. Now, now we can create a multiple cards. Let see, card one sales amount. Okay. Now here we can drag sales amount. Uh, we have already selected sales amount. So here now we can drag profit. Okay. Okay. And we can do another slicer card. We can take card. Okay. Now here we can take quantity. See here quantity is there. Just put tick mark. Then it will be all automatically dragged there. See sum of quantity 27. Okay. Now it is shown like we can easily tell that sum of sales amount is 236K and sum of profit is 40K and sum of quantity is 27. So like that we can easily tell. Instead of looking at a large table, we can display important numbers in separate cards. Now I will explain the formatting cards. How to format the cards like that. Select any card and go to the format your visual. Okay. See here it is shown right. Once you selected, see it is shown that visual and general. We can go to general also. If you go to general, see properties, title, efforts, that date format, header items, tooltips, all text. All these settings are belongs to the this only one slide. If you want to change anything, it will be at go to this slide only. Okay, now you got understand. I think so. Just go to the title. If you click on, just click on here and is showing the title and all the settings belongs to this slide only. Which slide you are selected, that slide, all the settings will go to the particular slide only. Okay. So if you want to change any text, sum of quantity, right? Sum of quantity. So we can see here, if we change it, if we write this here, the text is changed, right? Before that nothing is there. Now it was added like sum of quantity. What we have given the text, it is go to here, right? Like that we can change the title base. Here we can change the formatting also. Format style, field value. Nothing is there. Oh, sorry guys, I just took some break. Okay, now we can change any set. If you change anything here, it will change, right? If you change, see heading 3, if you change let heading 2, then see it was changed actually. Here the text is changed in sum of quantity. If we can change the font also, see sum of quantity is changed to bold letters right now. If you want battery style, just set it into Arial is fine. Either we can change the text color also. Actually, previously it was in black, right? Now we can change into orange or red or black, blue or yellow. Any color we can change. We can change to blue now. See now it was changed to sky blue, right? Because I have changed the text color. Background color also can change. See some of quantity background color is changed to dark blue now. It was no not fill is dark one actually. Is it fine now? Actually, in real dashboards, if you want to be attractive, just change the colors, right? Then it would be seen like a perfect for dashboards or anything. You can change. Okay, formatting improves dashboard appearance and readability. So, what is the KPI visual? KPI stands for Key Performance Indicator. If you are worked in any software company or any shipping company like that, you might know this. What is a KPI visual either? KPI stands for Key Performance Indicator. A KPI visual helps us measure whether business performance is improving or declining. It will show whether the business is improved or declined. Like that it will show. Okay, example like take monthly sales target or profit growth or revenue growth. We can show in KPIs, right? Now I will show some practical KPI demo. How to create a KPI visual. Just we can remove this part, this slides guys. Remove, and this one also we can remove, because as of now we don't need this one. That's why I'm removing. Okay. Now create a KPI visual. Okay, here add indicator, sales amount, select sales amount and trend axis to date. The date is not there. Date is there, and we can show the trend axis. See, it is showing the different dates. Now I hope you guys see this right. In 2001 January 1 this one is. In 2001 January 2. In 2001 January 3. Okay, like this we can explain this. This is 2001 January 7 and 2001 January 8, 2001 January 9. Like 2001 January 10. The KPI compares performance over time and shows whether sales are increasing or decreasing. Okay, the KPI compares performance over time and shows whether sales are increasing or decreasing. Now I will explain real world example. This one we can remove this now. This is just for explain purpose. I have added this slide. Okay. Okay. Now I will add another text for you guys for better understanding. Okay. The KPI compares performance over time and shows whether sales are increasing or decreasing. That is for KPI purpose days. Why we have to add KPI means the KPI compares performance over time and shows whether sales are increasing or decreasing. Now real world example I will explain. Image you are a manager, you open a dashboard and immediately see total sales. See, suppose assume that you are a manager and you open a dashboard here. You open a dashboard and immediately you can see the total profit, total sales and everything here. This is for total profit, and another card visual is there. This is for total sales. Okay, now the total quantity, total quantity you can see. This is the total quantity, and another visual is the sales trend increasing. Line chart we can show. Here line chart is there, and it is showing that sales trend is increasing. I will add sales amount here. Data also we can take. Okay, see here the sales are decreasing actually and again increasing and again it's downfall. From January 8 it seems to increase in days. This helps you make business decisions quickly. So by seeing this, we can make the business decisions quickly, guys. So for that purpose, we use Power BI. Okay. Okay. Now I will give some interview questions. Okay. Interview questions I will write here. First question is, what is the difference between what is the what is the difference between card visual between card and KPI? So now I will explain this answer. Okay. What happens if what is the card actually? Card is a Quad will displace a single value, right? Like this, we can explain this in interview. Quad displays a single value. This one we already learned, right? Now, what is the KPI? KPI displays the value because here we use the term displays, right? So for that we need to give both values. We use the displays only. What it displays and what it displays here. It will displace a single value card. Now KPI displays a value along with performance trend. Okay, it's a value along with performance trend. Okay, so now I will show you the summary what you have learned today. So today we have learned quad visual. What is a quad visual and how to make quad visual? Okay, in Power BI desktop and multiple quads. Today we have learned multiple quads also. Multiple quads that in Power BI desktop as I said right in quad visual left side and in the right side another quad visual like that. How to make multiple quads and how to quad formatting also I have taught today. Quad formatting and KPI visuals and trend analysis today I have learned. So these things I have learned today. Trend analysis. So today I have taught these things. Okay. Cards and KPIs are amongst the most commonly used visuals in business dashboards. So you should learn all these things days because these are the most common visuals in business dashboards. So in every company, in every project, like any project, you can use these visuals days. So be practice on every visual, okay? And next, I am giving you homework to you guys. Please be prepared, well prepared in your home. First one, create a dashboard showing total sales and total profit. I already explained these things, right? Profit, just select a card visual and you can select into like total sales or total profit. If you just put a tick mark, then the visual show this. Nothing is like difficult days. You can do it days, no problem. Next, total quantity, KPI for sales trend, KPI for sales trend. So these things you need to do. This makes a great practice exercise for students. So practice well, guys. That's it for today's session. And then the next class I will teach you another topics days. No problem. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for everyone. Thank you.